What's up, guys? Today we're repairing my Gemini P-800 amplifier. Right, so you can see right now it is in protect mode, and so the reason why it's in protect mode is because these knobs are very staticky, both of them. All right, so if I play this record here, so it's a record playing, volume's up, right? I mess around with these knobs here. It's probably going to be this one. It's gonna come off protect mode. It's gonna start playing in a second. Come on. All right, let me mess around with these switches a little bit until I can get it off protect mode and then show you what I'm talking about. So as you can see, right now, it's playing, right? But now, if I turn this knob, hear all that static? Turn it up a little louder. Right, and see, boom, back. So yeah, it'll cut in and out of protect mode because it is static. So we're gonna fix that. So what we're gonna do is use this product, DeoxIT D5, and we need to spray it into the contacts on these volume knobs or these gain knobs, right? I could pull these out, but I'm not. This is such an old amp. I would rather see if I can get the, this fluid, this DeoxIT D5, into the connection from the back, rather than yanking this knob off and then being worried about putting it back on. So I'm gonna open this up, take this off, and then let's see what we're working with from the inside. All right, so this is what the inside of the amplifier looks like. Now, if I can get this camera right here to look inside there. Yeah. So this is the volume knob here. This is the connection over here. And so I can, let me show you real quick. I am able to shoot this in through here. So I'm gonna clean as much as I can first. I gotta go get some Q-tips and some rubbing alcohol. I'm going to clean out as much as dust as I can. See, there's a good amount of dust in there. I'll try to clean out a little bit of, yeah, I should probably clean out these spider webs too. Yeah, I'm going to clean out what I can, and we'll be right back. Alright, so here I have Q-tip, some rubbing alcohol on it. Let's clean the outside first over here. Wow. Didn't even know that was red at first. You can see all this gunk coming off. To get in there is going to be a little bit of a problem. Let's see. You know what? Alright, I got this. 1 second. Alright, so what I did was I just pulled off some of the cotton at the tip here, so that way it gets a little bit smaller, it can fit inside. Put some rubbing alcohol on it, and now I'm just going to rub it around. Try to get off some of the dust that's on here that's creating our issue. Now, only use rubbing alcohol for this, not like water, not a cleaner, just rubbing alcohol. Now let's go to the other side. Alright, so now we are DeoxIT D5 spray. We're going to spray some in there. Try to get a better view there. Alright, there we go. Do the same thing on the other side. And then, of course, turn the knob so that it can spread around on the inside there. You can be generous if you'd like. It doesn't hurt. But the main thing, spray enough. Make sure you give it a nice good turn. Go to the other side. All right. Looking good. On this one here, I still see some dust, some particles in there. So I'm going to take another Q-tip, try to clean out whatever's left, and then give it another respray. Alright, so you can see there, that, gray piece there is no longer covered in dust. It's looking pretty clean now. And same thing on this side as well. So now we're going to close it up, plug it back in. Alright, so I got the amp plugged in. I got it, I had a mixer here and stuff. Quick, test run, plugged directly into my DJM S9. You can see the amp is on. It's not in protect mode. Alright, we have a record here. I let it dry a little bit. I don't know if you need to do that, but I did. Anyway, so let's start the record. I'm going to turn it up a little bit louder on the S9. Alright, we're on this channel. We're on this channel right here. Look at that, no static. No static. We're not flipping in and out of protect mode. And now it's actually like so much smoother. So, great. This repair was successful. Hope you guys learned something, or could use this video to repair some static knobs on your stuff. Again, let me turn this off. You don't have to open the amp to do this. You could pull out the knobs. The knobs usually are like just pulling it out is the easiest way. I chose to open my amp because I was fearful, given that this is a very old amp, that I would not be able to get these knobs back on in a way that would make them nice and snug. Like, I don't want to pull them out and then they keep falling off. So you can, especially if you can get replacement knobs. This again is a very old amp. I didn't want to take that chance, so I opened it up. Again, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, more content coming soon.